Hello my lovelies, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing great. Today we are going to make a night eye cream. We are going to need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 5 drops of vitamin E oil, and 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Mix all the oils together and let it set. This is how it should look by the time it's ready to use. You can apply this night eye cream every night after you have completely cleaned your face and before you go to bed. You can apply it after your facial serum, and you don't need to apply moisturizing cream before or after this eye cream. This eye cream is good for any type of skin, and it's going to help you reduce the puffiness under the eyes. It's going to help you with the dark circles, and the best of all, it's going to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply it doing very soft circular movements with the tip of your finger. And these are the results after using it for 2 weeks. I actually love it. It has made such a difference on my skin. Very pleased. See you next week with another English video. Bye!